Okay, we got a machine here. I'm just going to show you around. It's got a specialized setup in here for a certain thing. Can easily be adapted to whatever you want to do. Down here is a foot pedal. It will operate this clamp. And here is the stroke. You pull this little hook here. It will activate the cycle. This button right here is automatic. In case something isn't right, you can stop it. And up here is the switch for the arbor. That works. Everything seems to work properly.